Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Netflix black screen on Discord. So you may be trying to stream Netflix on your Discord server like I'm doing here, and what you're seeing is a black screen. So I'm going to show you a method to fix this. So what you need to do is go to your settings, which is found on the bottom left gear icon right here. Click on that. Then once on the settings window, you need to scroll down and click on the option that says advanced right here. Click on that. Then once on advanced, you'll see two options. One is developer mode and another one says hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is currently toggled on. Now toggle this off. So in order for this to take effect, you need to restart it. So click on the option that says change and restart. Now that it has restarted, we can screen share like we did before. And this time we will screen share Netflix and it should work. Netflix should appear like it is right now. So this is how you fix Netflix black screen on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.